If you would like to watch how I changed this look to this, keep watching. For this project, I used a chalk paint I've bought in a local DIY shop, paying €5 for a can. This is the second coat I am applying, and it does cover well. Also, I didn't need any primer. I am not going to let the second coat dry, as I will start blending it with another color immediately after I finish applying it. I have this custom-made chalk paint and will blend it with my base color. I mixed the Emile and the Rodmell chalk paint, both by Annie Sloan, half to half, creating a darker shade of lilac, and I am applying it into the crevices with a small makeup brush. As the piece is quite small, I am applying my second color to the whole surface. If I painted a bigger piece, I would certainly blend in sections. Remember, the base color is still quite wet. I am spraying the surface with my spray bottle to reactivate the paint, and using a separate soft brush, blending the colors together, doing it extremely lightly, touching the surface like with a feather. This way, we are giving the surface just a shade of lilac. The gray is still shining through it. On the legs, I am also adding a little bit of my lilac and blending it up. I have some paint on my blending brush and I am spreading it over the corners, creating a bit of a lilac shade over the grey base. And here I am repeating the process. For the top, I made a paint wash of my custom-made lilac, 1 paint to 1 water. And I wiped it off, slightly dabbing with a wet rag. When the rag gets too saturated, you can get off the excesses into the dry paper towel, or you can wash the rag. I thought the top looks too bright and decided to make another wash of a base color, again 1 paint to 1 water. I let the first wash dry for a couple of hours before applying the second wash. When the piece is completely dry, I am covering it with a clear wax. That is not all of it. Stay tuned to see what's next. To make a few accent points, I am applying a Pearlescent Glaze using a soft art brush. You probably think that I am a heavy smoker. Never smoked in my life, and this is the voice I am blessed with. Now, after suffering COVID, it takes me a long time to get back. I hope you don't mind. To make the top more durable, I am covering it with a water-based varnish, and I will add 2 more coats of it. A bit more glaze and it's done. Those bedside tables came with the bed. Watch in my next video how I painted the bed, but not the same way as the tables. Thank you for watching.